Hi guys, welcome to the Sam Grimm Show if you're new and if you're a long time fan. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to work a cuckoo clock like this, a battery powered cuckoo clock that plays music. Now first of all, you'll need C-cell batteries and yes, you'll also need a good place like this to fit the cuckoo clock in, and if it doesn't work, check the wires. So here is the switch at the side, if you can see it. Cool. So this is the off side of it and that's the on, and I just turned it on there. Just turn it left if you want it on and push it here, and that's your cuckoo clock working. If you just got it today, that's awesome. Or if you got it recently and don't know how to work it, or if you've had it for years and you don't know how to work it, I'll leave it on for you to listen to this beautiful tune. This will rock your baby to sleep if you ever